everyone. Today we are solving a question which is asked in multiple coding rounds, and this question is especially taken from the IBM Application Developer Cloud Full Stack Developer role. So let us understand the question before solving the problem. So we are given a string S and we need to find how many substrings of that given S are palindromes. So what the problem states is to count how many unique substrings of a string are the palindromes. So let us understand it with an example. So the given string has number of substring as mentioned here. So what is a substring and what is a palindrome? So a substring is a continuous sequence of characters within a single string, and a palindrome is a string which reads the same forwards and backwards. So let us first create a substring for each of the string and then check if there are any different or unique palindromes within the substring made and just return the count of them. So we need to complete the function palindrome in the editor, and we also have given a single parameter which is string, and we need to return the number of distinct palindromes. So now let us code the solution. So first we need to store the length of our given string, and we also need to create a palindrome set which is initially empty, and then we need to loop over the each character from the string. So for that we need to start from the center up till n. N is the length of the substring. Then we have two cases where we check for palindromes with odd lengths and then we check for palindromes with even lengths. So this logic would be firstly for odd length. So for odd length, the both left and right pointers would be initially settled at the center. So both of their lengths would be expanded from the center until where the left pointer moves to the first index, that is 0, and the right index would be moving up to the last element, that is length of the string, that is n, and string of left is equals to the string of r. Then only then we would mention that the string is a palindrome. So if we find a palindrome there, we'll add into our set. So this is what happens in case of odd length substrings or palindromes. So for even palindromes, we again need to write the same logic, but we need to start the right pointer from the center's next element. So that means for even length, So with the same condition, we'll be adding a string into the palindrome set. So here we handle both the even and odd length palindromes, and again we can add to a set when both the ends match. And finally, we'll just write a return statement to return the count of the distinct palindromes. That means the size of the set of palindromes which you have created. So we'll write a return statement returning the length of palindrome set. We'll just run and see. Yeah, our given example has two set of palindromes. So that is what we have written here.